Hello everyone and welcome to Take It Easy. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the food app Swiggy. So this app basically delivers your food items to your doorstep. So once you open the app it looks somewhat like this, and again you can go to food items and again they'll show you a few food dishes, let's say Chinese, pizza, anything. So if you click on Chinese it'll show you a few Chinese restaurants, and if you open one you can see a few dishes in that restaurant. Again, now if you want to have biryani, it will show you the closest biryani restaurants in your area, and you can choose the most suitable restaurant and order your favorite biryani. Now if you want to search for a particular restaurant, you have to take that name. If you want Pizza Express, you can take that and write it in the search bar and press search. So as you can see, the first option is Pizza Express, and on opening that you can select the outlet you want the delivery from. If it's Kolaba, then that, or in this case BKC. So you can select that, although you can see the time has increased. Now when it comes to the food selection, you can either press all non-veg or all veg. That helps you segregate and select your pizzas effectively. Now you can also click the menu option and select the pizza. If you want margarita, you can also tap the extras that you want, let's say black olives and jalapenos. So you can just press the tick and it will get added onto your pizza. If you want need chicken or non-veg topping on top of that, you can also add that. You can continue browsing to see if you like any other dish from Pizza Express and add it to your cart. If you want a chicken pizza then or pepperoni, you can customize it and just press add. If you don't want to customize it, just press add and don't select any item. Now if you go to your cart, you'll be able to see the items in that cart of yours. If you want to select a dessert, let's say, then you can come to the dessert menu and just press add to the cake or whatever pastry you like. Now on going to your cart, you can see the different deals they want to offer you, but before that you'll have to enter your phone number. So on entering that, they'll ask you for an OTP verification, so just enter the OTP and there you go. Now you can see your cart, the items you've ordered, and now you can go to the coupon section and just apply any coupon that you think will give you the most discount. As you can see, I've saved 120 rupees, and now if you want to tip the delivery partner, you can also select a tip to offer. And now you can see the bill out here with the delivery trip if you want to add, the GST applied, and the total fare. You can also choose your address, and now just proceed to pay. There are different options, let's say Google Pay, Paytm, maybe a wallet or a credit or a debit card. So again, just enter your credit card number and there you go. After that you can just press and you'll be able to track your order later on, and it will show you how much time it will take. That's it for Swiggy, and you can let me know if you have any other questions in ordering your favorite food items. Thank you.